going on YouTube? Wow, I know it's been forever and a year ago since I posted a new video, right? But I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. You guys have stuck by me. Normally when people don't post or, you know, keep you guys entertained, you normally unfollow or unsubscribe, but all 199 of you stuck by me, and thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. So today I'm going to bring you a new video, finally. And I am on a journey to losing weight. I'm fat, y'all. No, seriously, I just gained a little bit of weight. So now I'm on my little health kick, trying to lose a little something. I feel like I was looking up here and I'm supposed to be looking down here. Anyway, so I'm on this new health kick. It's been about maybe 13 days since I've been eating better. I'm not gonna say I've been dieting, because you know, that word, but I definitely been watching what I've been eating. I've been trying to cut out carbs, which I've been doing pretty good. The only carb I have had thus far is like mashed potatoes or like potatoes or something like that, but that was only like twice. But I've been having like vegetables. I've been doing like, you know, fruits, carrots for snacks, salads, just meat and vegetables, really. Fish, vegetables, you know, that type of thing. I ain't gonna lie, I did fry my fish, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like, you know, fried fish is not that bad because it digests better than, you know, most things. But I do try to stay away from fried and do baked. It's killing me right now because I love chips and sweets and everything, and it is just so hard. But anyway, enough blabbering. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I decided to try this vest. You know, it's like a vest with the waist trainer connected to it. My midsection is really what I'm trying to lose, and it's just so hard to lose it. And I'm very lazy, so I figure, you know, I sweat easily. So this, from the comments that I read, is from Perfect Sculpt. I don't know if you guys can see that or if it's clear, but I ordered it from them. It was only like $29. But from the reviews that I saw, it's really good, and it makes you sweat. Of course, I know, of course, with sweating, you have to either exercise, you know, and eat healthy. I know nothing comes easy, but as you can see, I haven't opened it yet. This is, I don't even know what it looks like. I don't even know if it can fit, because the way their sizes were listed on that chart, the size chart was real confusing. They were saying basically like if you wear a medium and a large, to size down, and then if you wear like a 2X and higher, to size up. So I don't really know if I ordered the right size or not, but this is it in the bag. We'll see. I'm gonna try and put the picture of it on against side by side, but back up a little bit. This is what the, oh, I look like I can fit this. This is what the vest look like. You know, I think the, what is it? It got that neoprene material to it. So, you know, that's what really makes you sweat. You can have the option of wearing it under your clothes or over your clothes. I don't know. I just have to see which one I prefer to wear. So let's see if this actually fits. I know my upper area is very heavy, so I don't know. We have to see how that works. Okay. But maybe I got the right size. I heard it's a good support for the top area when you're exercising. Okay. All right, I think I got the right size, guys. Because you don't want it loose. That was another thing somebody told me. Depending on your cup size, you have to order, I think she said she was like a double D, and she ordered, downsized it, because you don't want it to be loose in here. And she was trying to lose some of her top area as well. But this is the belt here. And this is the other side here, you know, and this is what lasts it together. So all you do is you just pull this around here, and then you pull the other side as tight as you want it or as loose as you want it. I prefer it to be tight. Oh, it's not even, y'all. Hold on. So y'all can see this today is May 13th. So as you can see, I look like a house, but this is where it's at right now. This is a medium. I got a medium. I wear about a medium and large in shirts. Mainly large right now. Some shirts I can wear a medium in, but that depends on the material. So, you know, you just put it on. Let me see, you guys can see how it fits. You see how fat I am? But yeah, so I already put it on. I'm kind of getting hot already. This thing make you sweat. They say you put it on and literally you don't even have to honestly do anything for it to make you sweat. But okay, I feel the burn. I'm not sure if you could sleep in it or not. But from what I was told, you can. I'm having issues with the bottom half of this, y'all. For some reason, I can't get it right. I'm gonna make sure I got it correct, you know. They don't really give no directions in the bag. I think you will have to go to the Perfect Sculpt website, and they give you like care instructions and things like that. But yeah, this, oh my God, I'm already really starting to sweat, and I just put this thing on. Wow. I'll probably wear this over a cami or something like that, because I feel like wearing it over a cami, you know, it's more closer to my skin. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this camera is adding 10 pounds. We just gonna say the camera adding 10 pounds. But this is my little sweat vest, and I think it is the best. So I'm gonna do a video probably in about another month just to see how things are going. If I've lost any weight anywhere. The reason why I really got this vest instead of just like a waist trainer on the bottom is because I wanted it to lose, like, you know, the back fat, you know, little chichos is what we call them, or love handles. And I just wanted an overall coverage of areas that I'm trying to target. So hopefully in a month I could be in a small and I can get another one. Like I said, this was only $30. I figure, you know, you got those companies that are charging you $90 for this stuff. They also sell, I was thinking about getting that too, the thigh erasers with the little waist connected to it. I was thinking about getting that, but then I'm like, I have some thigh erasers, but it's not connected to the waist trainer thing. But I figure, oh, it might work the same. I still sweat. It's out of the same material, so I'll probably just use that. I also have a waist trainer as well. If you hold that thought, let me go get it. This is by Killer Curves. Their waist trainer. It looks raggedy because I had it for forever, but it has that same neoprene material. So if you just want some extra coverage, you know, you could put that on for the bottom half, you know. And this too, if you want to go to Killer Curves and get their waist trainer, you can take it out, pull it, you know, to give more on both sides, to give more of a thing. So when you're working out, jumping, doing all of that, you know. So yeah, I'll give you guys an updated review in probably about a month. I just want to continue to lose some more weight. The funny thing is I haven't even weighed myself. I haven't even took my measurements or nothing like that, but I can tell a difference from the day. It's been, like I said, about 13 days since I've been eating better, and I noticed a difference in how my clothes fit and everything like that. So I will keep you guys updated and I will keep you guys posted, and I promise to give you guys more content. I know I've been slacking as a YouTube entrepreneur, but I will get better. So just continue rocking with me, guys, because I have a lot of things in store for you. My next video, I think you guys are going to enjoy. So yeah, stay tuned and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, you know, tell somebody about me.